to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky.
Before continuing our tour through Tbilisi by night, we treat ourselves to a delicious shakshuka and some goat meat wine.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.
As we explore these charming alleys, you'll discover why Georgia's capital is becoming a must-see travel destination.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna
Slow down, enjoy the atmosphere, and experience the authentic soul of Tbilisi. Taking the cable car up to the Mother of Georgia in the evening is also an absolute highlight. From above, Tbilisi by night reveals its true magic, peaceful, vibrant, and full of life. The ride offers one of the most breathtaking views in Georgia's capital, leading us straight to the iconic Mother of Georgia statue watching over the city. From the old town, we head toward Liberty Square, the crossroads between old and new Georgia. As we continue walking along Rustaveli Avenue, Tbilisi's main boulevard, we come along street musicians, museums, and the former parliament. This evening walk perfectly captures the spirit of Georgia's capital, where tradition fades into modern city life. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to follow us on our journey. We hope you enjoyed our tour of Tbilisi as much as we did. Now we are heading back to Dubai.